Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you back on my channel once again. Are you a content creator or you're someone who have passion for creating evergreen AI content? Then in this video, I will show you how you can use this AI tool to achieve high quality videos in just minutes. Some of the benefits of these AI tools are you can convert AI images to image, you can convert AI from text to images, you can convert your video using the AI generator. Also, you can convert realistic AI voice over. All right, so if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, this is Creative Entrepreneur channel where we share information on how you can make money online. I also share remote job opportunities for those who are looking for work from home jobs. All right, I also share tools like AI tools that I can use to create high quality and stunting AI videos. Alright, so kindly stick and watch this video to the very end so that you're not going to miss out on the tips I'm going to be sharing in this video. Alright, so if you're here to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you're not going to miss out on each and every videos that I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Alright, so let's head right on to the website. Alright, so the name of the website is called FlexClip. Alright, so one thing I like about this website is that it's going to show you the steps in which you can use to create these videos from scratch. Alright, so this tool can help you to create high quality and stunting AI videos for your channels. Alright, so let's come over to this learn part, which is one of the good things I like about this learn part. So anything you want to learn, maybe video editing, is going to show you how to edit videos from scratch. It's going to show you how to record your videos. It's going to show you how to market your videos. It's going to show you different social media templates that you can use for your videos. It's also show you how you can convert your videos. All right, so if you go over to this tutorials, if you click on tutorials, so let's click on tutorials. All right, so let's watch some tutorials. Let's click on tutorials. All right, so you can see these are the videos that you're going to be seeing once you come to FlexClip guide for beginners. All right, so if you're a beginner, you want to know how to use FlexClip, you're going to click on the tutorial tab over here where I went to. You're going to click on the tutorial tab. Once you come to learn, you're going to click on video tutorials. All right, so once you click on video tutorials, it's going to take you and bring you over here. So you can see how to add customized lines using FlexClip. You can see how to change hairstyles with FlexClip. So when you scroll down, you can see how to crop image or video layers. Right. So under the AI tool over here, you can see AI image to videos. That means you can convert images into video. You can use the background remover. All right, you can use AI video generator. You can use AI text to videos. That means you can convert your text by using the prompts to convert your text into videos. You can convert AI blog to videos. You can convert AI audio subtitle. You can convert AI translator. That means they have up to like so many translation in different languages that you can use for your content. All right, that's one good thing that I like. So over the new tools that I will just introduce are the AI product URL to video. So if you are into the advertising niche, so you can use this tool called AI product URL to convert your videos. All right, you can use AI PPT to video. You can use AI PDF to videos, which are the new tools that was just introduced. You can use AI text based editing. All right, you can use the text based editing tool to edit your videos. All right, you can see AI hairstyle changer. All right, so with this tool you can change hairstyle for different characters that you are introducing on your content. All right, you can use AI watermark remover. So if you have watermark on your images or on your videos, you can use this tool to remove that. All right, you can see AI voice cloning. All right, that means you can use your own voice and you can clone it into different characters, either male or female. All right, you can see AI video to sound effect. All right, so you can change your videos into different sound effect. All right, so those are the tools that were just introduced on FlexClip. All right, so let me log in so that I can show you some of the tools on my dashboard. So let me get over to home. All right, so you can see create with magic tools. So these are the tools: AI video creator, AI audio subtitle, AI text to speech, AI translator, AI video scripts, record. I mean, you can record your voice. All right, and also you can record screen or webcam. All right, I've used this record screen or webcam and it's very clear, and you can also use that too. All right, so let's go into the AI tool. All right, under the image to image generation, you can see how you can change your characters into different AI character, maybe 3D, 2D, and so forth. All right, you can see AI text to image. All right, that means you can convert your scripts into an image. All right, by using the prompts. You can see AI audio subtitle. All right, so that means you can use the top subtitle tool over here, so that people can see the text on screen. All right, that is what the audio subtitle does. Let me scroll down. You can see AI text to speech. That means you can use the text to speech for your videos. All right, you can use AI image background remover. All right, so you can remove background just like you are seeing here on your images. All right, you can see an AI old photo restoration. That means you can restore your old photos that you are seeing like this into this one. All right, so it's a very great tool. You can see AI music generator. I've tried this using this tool and it generated a nice music for me. All right, so these are some of the music I was able to generate using this tool. So let me just play this one. All right, so you can just come over and prompt it and it's going to give you the kind of music style that you need for your videos. All right, so that's it. Once you come over to this prompt, you're going to give you the type of music that you want. So you're going to click on style and you can select pop, hip hop, R&B, rock, soul, funk, country, jazz. So each and every style you want here, you're going to select it and it's going to generate it easily. All right, so that is how you can use FlexClip to generate your music. All right, so you can see different tools that can help you to upskill your AI content journey. All right, so if you have any question, kindly go to the comment section. I'll be there to answer your questions. So I'm dropping the link on how you can download this tool. All right, you can use it on using your phone. You can use it on your computer. All right, so if you have any question, kindly go to the comment section. If you like this video, kindly give this video a like, and I'll be seeing you guys in my very next video. Goodbye.